Welcome back to the channel. So the first thing you need to do is get some softened cream cheese and put it in a mixing bowl. You're gonna also need 3/4 of a cup of powdered sugar, and we're gonna need about a half a teaspoon of almond extract. All right, so we need to beat this together until it's smooth, and then we're gonna finish our pie. It's real simple. Throw everything in one bowl, and then pour it in the pie crust. Should be ready to go. The next thing that we're going to add is our Cool Whip.
Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb.
So you're gonna also need a 28 9-ounce can of sliced peaches, and you need to drain those. These were in juice, so I went ahead and drained those, and I chopped them up just a little bit. Usually in half spine, unless they're really big, and then you can chop them again. So this is a creamy peach pie, and we're done. This is it. All we got to do is pour it in the crust, put it in the fridge for at least an hour before you serve it. And if you can't find graham cracker, you can probably use shortbread, but I would not use chocolate or anything like that.
Now that our names are written in stone, let's be honest, sounds like home. Still I'm here alone and I'm calling your phone. I wish I could wipe my own memory out. I wish I could dream about somebody else. I wish I could talk when the silence so loud. I wish.
Now we'll just fill the shell. Push everything down in there, and that's it. We're all done. Refrigerate for 1 hour before serving. This next pie is a lemon pie. It's really easy. All you need is condensed milk, lemon juice, and eggs, and a pie crust. That's it. It's gonna take 2 cans of condensed milk, not evaporated. There's a difference. So instead of using my mixer for this, I'm just gonna whisk it all together and show you how simple and easy it is. This is 2 cans of condensed milk already in the bowl. We need a cup of lemon juice, fresh or bottled, it doesn't matter. And then you're gonna need 2 eggs.
Let's be honest, sounds like home. Still I'm here alone and I'm calling your phone. I wish I could wipe my
let's add our 2 eggs, and I did beat them slightly before I put them in here.
I wish I could do something that will make sense. I wish I would know what you're thinking about. I wish I could wipe my own memory out.
And our graham cracker crust. This is just a 9-inch. You could probably get away with a shortbread crust if you can't find graham cracker. $3.75 for half an hour. And then we'll take a look at it when it comes out. Okay, y'all, this is the finished product. Real easy, simple. Keeping me on my budget. And my family gets a delicious lemon pie. We are going to make strawberry cream pie, and this is going to conclude our pie video. I'm going to try to do this with a whisk instead of a mixer. You're going to need 1 brick of softened cream cheese, half a cup of sugar. You can use Splenda or something like that if you want to. And then a couple of teaspoons of vanilla. Now I'm gonna fold in my chopped strawberries. I'm gonna use fresh strawberries, and I just dice those up. Not perfectly, just, you know. I'm gonna add those in.
Hand in hand, building castles.
8 ounces of Cool Whip. Okay, so I decided that this is not going to be any fun because it's just going to be plain white with a bunch of strawberries in it. I decided to get my food coloring out and make this pink.
Breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond.
Yeah, that should be enough.
A bigger scale, the world inhales as we go.
We'll put this in the fridge and let it get cold.
Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond hope.
Alright, so you need to put this in the fridge. We'll cover it. And I'm going to serve that in just a few hours.
Tiptoes.